Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.